Hey guys, welcome back to another cyber secure video only on CyberPeace TV. My name is Ishban Yadav and this is Weekly Wraps. A doctor from Cuttack loses rupees 77 lakh to an alleged SIM card fraud. The alleged fraudsters had called up the doctor and collected his debit card information, CVV code and bank account information in the pretext of reactivating his SIM card. IT expert from Delhi arrested for allegedly creating impersonated profiles of various personalities. The IT expert has allegedly created over 50 impersonated profiles of big personalities including City Police Commissioner Shamsher Singh and Textile Minister Smriti Irani for allegedly siphoning off money from the friends of these individuals. Activist Disha Ravi arrested by the Delhi police in connection with the toolkit case. The Delhi police has arrested the 22-year-old climate activist for investigating in her involvement in the matter where a toolkit, a document with the links to all the necessary resources and contact info of various associated organizations and stakeholders, was shared by the environment activist Greta Thunberg regarding the farmers' protest. Nigerian man sentenced to 10 years in prison for coordinating an international spear fishing campaign. Nigerian national Obinwanne Okeke has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for coordinating an international spear fishing campaign which led the victims to lose over $11 million. British individuals arrested for running a $100 million SIM swap attack campaign. The 8 suspects arrested in the UK are allegedly involved in running a SIM swap campaign where they have allegedly gained access to the phones of various individuals such as well-known sports stars, musicians and influencers, and then have allegedly stolen more than $100 million either from their bank accounts or in cryptocurrency. Meghalaya Police along with CyberPeace Foundation launches a police campaign to promote cybersecurity. The social media handles of Meghalaya Police will be used to host webinars, cyber talks, volunteer workshops, surveys, jingle competition among others for disseminating awareness on cybersecurity. 2021's edition of CCTNS Hackathon and Cyber Challenge launched in collaboration with CyberPeace Foundation and Ministry of Home Affairs. NCRB and CyberPeace Foundation has joined hands to organize second CCTNS Hackathon and Cyber Challenge with an aim to enhance skills and deepen understanding of the police personnel at the ground level. A fake Pradhan Mantri Yojana loan app is luring Indians and app removed from the Google Play developer. The personal details that were collected from the applicants such as Aadhaar card, ration card, PAN card are openly available on the website and can be misused by any hacker. So that's it from this week's Weekly Wraps. Please let us know in the comments how you like this video and if you want to see any other topic being discussed only on CyberPeace TV. My name is Ishban Yadav. I will see you soon in the next Cyber Secure episode. And until then, keep watching, keep subscribing, do like this video if you liked it. Alright? I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Good night.